So hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see Ctrl A to Z, keyboard shortcut keys with specific demo. So watch the full video without skip and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed. So let's get started. Guys, first we will see basic function of each keys, and accordingly we will see demo for your better understanding. So if you are a beginner, then watch the video carefully. Ctrl+, select all items very quickly. Items can be any type like files, images. Guys, here you can see that we have 4 files in our directory. And for selecting all the files very quickly, just type Ctrl+A. And you can see here that all files are selected. And now you can perform any other operations to these files. Ctrl+B, bold selected text. Guys, here you can see that in our MS Word file, one line of text is there. Now for bold this text, just type Ctrl+B. Ctrl+C, copy selected text or items. Guys, let's perform copy operation. For that, just select this text and press Ctrl+C, and your text is copied. But I know that you have questioned that how to see that our text is copied or not. For that, we have one shortcut key is there, that is paste. So for move your cursor to new line and press Ctrl+V, and you can see that your text is pasted. Ctrl+D, delete selected items. You can see here that we have 4 files. Now for deleting the file, just select the file that you want to delete and press Ctrl+D. Ctrl+C, align text into center in Word. For aligning the text into center, select the text and just press Ctrl+C, and you can see that your text is aligned to center. Ctrl+F, open the Find dialog to search for text. You can see here that we have one single line, and for searching the specific word in this line, just press Ctrl+F, and you can see that result. Actually, it will help you when you are working with very long lines of text or paragraph. Ctrl+G, go to a specific location in documents. Guys, you can see here that we have total 6 pages, and on each page some text is written. So use of Ctrl+G key is to go to specific location. For that, just type Ctrl+G, and you can see that one dialog box is opened. That display variety of options. You can see that here in dialog box 3 is written. So when we click on go to, we're going to page number 3. Similarly for page number 4 also. Here you can also change the particular field. Ctrl+H, open, find, and replace in text editors. Guys, Ctrl+H key is used to replace the word or line with specific word or line. For that, just type Ctrl+H, and you can see that one dialog box is opened. Just type hello and find text field, and hi and replace text field, and just press replace all, and you can see that hello is replaced by hi. Ctrl+I, italicize selected text. Ctrl+I key is used to italicize selected text. For that, just select the text and press Ctrl+I, and you can see that text is italicized. Ctrl+J, align text to justify in Word. Ctrl+J key is used to align justify your text. For that, first select your text and press Ctrl+J, and you can see that your text is justify. Ctrl+K, insert a hyperlink in Word. Guys, Ctrl+K is used to make hyperlink. For that, first select the text that you want to make hyperlink and press Ctrl+K, and you got the dialog box. Just select the location and press OK. And you can see that hyperlink is created Once you clicked on that, you go to the particular location. Ctrl L, align text to left. Ctrl L key is used to align text to the left. For that, first select the text and just press Ctrl L, and you can see that text aligned to the left. Ctrl M, indent paragraph in Word. Ctrl M key is used to indent paragraph in Word. For that, first select the paragraph and just press Ctrl M, and you can see that your paragraph is indented. Ctrl N, open a new file. Ctrl N key is used to open a new file. Guys, here you can see that our current file name is hello.docs. And for opening the new file, just type Ctrl N, and you can see that our new file name is document4.docs. Ctrl O, open a file. Guys, for opening a new file, just press Ctrl O, and you can see different options, and select any one that you want to open. Let's open this, and this is opened. Ctrl P, print the current document or page. For printing the document, just press Ctrl P, and you can see that you have an option to print document. If printer is connected to your system, then you can take the print out of your document. Ctrl Q, remove the paragraph formatting. Guys, this is a paragraph that we have indented earlier. And for removing that, first select the paragraph and just press Ctrl Q, and you can see that our paragraph looked like earlier. Ctrl R, align text to the right. For that, first select your text and just press Ctrl R, and you can see that your text is moved towards right. Ctrl S, save the current file or document. Guys, you can see here that we have one new files with text good morning. For saving this file, just press Ctrl S, and you can see one dialog box is displayed. Provide any name and save. You can see the file is saved. Ctrl T, insert a hanging indent in Word. Guys, this is our old paragraph. First select the paragraph and just press Ctrl T, and you can see that our paragraph is hanging indented. This is function of Ctrl T shortcut key. Ctrl U, underline selected text. Guys, this is our paragraph. And first just select it and just press Ctrl U, and you can see that underlined is placed a paragraph. Ctrl V, paste copied content. Guys, we had seen Ctrl V shortcut key earlier when we had seen copy shortcut key. So again, I repeat it. This is our one line of text. First, just select this text and press Ctrl C and go to the new line and just press Ctrl V, and you can see that our copied content paste here. Ctrl W, close the current document or window or tab. It is used to close the current document. For that, just type Ctrl W, and you can see that our current Word document is closed. Ctrl X, cut selected content. Guys, cut operation, required paste operation. So you can say that it is similar like copy-paste operation. So for that, first select this line of text and just press Ctrl X, and you can see that your text has disappeared. Now, go to the new line and just press Ctrl V, and you can see that your text is coming to the new line. So it is called cut operation. You can perform cut operation to any items like images, files. Ctrl Y, redo the last undone action. Guys, redo operation, repeat our last action. For example, let's write hello and just press Ctrl Y, and you can see that it repeats our last action. Ctrl Z, undo the last action. Ctrl plus Z key is used to undo the last action. For example, type hello, how are you? Nice. Now remove the nice. And now just press Ctrl plus Z multiple times. And you can see that all your removed content is coming. So it is called undo operation. That is achieved through Ctrl plus Z key. So guys, I've explained all the Ctrl plus A to Z shortcut keys with related demos. I hope you understood all these shortcuts clearly and can use them effectively. If you have any doubts, then feel free to comment below. See you in the next video. But before that, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.